When using an ammonia detecting electrode, such as this one, taking care of the electrode is essential to keeping its lifetime. Ideally, the electrode should be stored dry, removing any solution inside it, and before each use you should be refilling it with electrode solution. Today I'll be showing you how to fill up your electrode. The TRUEscience ammonia ion selective electrode is made out of 3 parts: a flat surface pH electrode, a Teflon membrane located in the end cap, and a refillable ammonium chloride solution. First of all, remove the end cap of the electrode. You can check the quality of the cap by looking at the membrane on the bottom. A new end cap should have a membrane that is flat and smooth, while some membranes can develop bulges or bumps as they age and may eventually fail due to puncture or tear. The Teflon membrane is partially permeable and allows gas to pass through. You can half fill the cap with ammonium chloride using a pipette or some other tool like this. Due to the membrane's permeability, ammonia gas can pass through the membrane and react with the acidic solution, in turn reducing the pH of the solution surrounding the probe. This change creates a readable potential difference, directly proportional to the ammonia concentration. After it's half filled, tap the side of the cap gently to remove any air bubbles. If this is not done, some of the trapped air could interrupt conduction and give you a false reading. Screw the cap onto the electrode until it just touches the Teflon membrane. The membrane should not tear or stretch more than the bare minimum, meaning that there should be a thin layer of solution between the membrane and the probe. If you feel that the electrode is touching the cap, you can slightly unscrew it to create that layer of solution. Now, after filling your electrode, you can attach it to your TRUEscience smart cap or cable, and it's ready for use.